What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the THONET VANDER KURBIS BT. Now these are premium Bluetooth bookshelf style speakers. They are made and designed in Germany, and I really do like that black and yellow theme. So without any further ado, let's just get these unboxed, shall we? So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with your user manual and your quick start guide. You got a transparent audio cable to connect up the speakers, 3.5mm to RCA stereo cable, a UK power lead, and a European power lead is also included should you need it. And last but not least, the speaker themselves. I've taken off one of the grills just to show you what the speaker looks like. Speaker itself is made from a very nice, beautiful wooden case, finished in a piano black, and I have to say it does look and feel very nice. Now quick look at all the ports. Of course you have your woofer and tweeter at the front, nothing on the sides. Of course on the back you have your speaker connection, and on the other speaker, volume, treble and bass controls on the side. And on the back of the speaker you've got your RCA connection, a 3.5mm aux jack, you got your speaker out, power socket and a physical power button. Now let's talk about the speaker dimension. Each speaker is 20 inches in height, 10 inches in width and 13.38 inches in depth, and the weight is 19 pounds. Furthermore, each speaker consists of a 5.25 inch subwoofer made from aramid fiber, finished in yellow, and the upper ring is actually made from elastic rubber, so built to last. Now just above that you have a 1-inch silk dome tweeter. Now you can expect a maximum of 34 watts per speaker, so that's a total RMS of 68 watts. So without any further ado, let's just check out the sounds, shall we?
Cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long.
So there you have it guys, that was the new KURBIS BT by THONET VANDER. A very attractive pair of bookshelf speakers. I really do like the design and piano black finish. The sound quality is also very good with decent amount of bass and a good balance between mids and highs. And I also like the fact that you have individual control dials for bass, treble and volume, so you can adjust the sound to your own taste. So whether you're playing a video game or watching your favorite movie, the sound quality certainly does not disappoint. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description in case you guys want to check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.